The E73 error on your Google Nest thermostat means the RC wire isn't receiving power. Fixing this requires clearing your AC drain pipe, replacing the 3-amp fuse on your furnace control board, or flipping your HVAC circuit breaker back on. Start with the simplest fix at your main electrical panel. Locate the breakers labeled HVAC, furnace, or AC. If a breaker is tripped or sitting in the middle position, push it fully off, then switch it firmly back on. If the breaker is fine, the most common culprit is a tripped float switch in your AC drain pan. When the condensate pipe clogs with algae or debris, water backs up, and the safety switch cuts power to the thermostat to prevent home flooding. Locate your indoor HVAC unit, typically found in an attic, basement, or utility closet. Check the drain pan sitting underneath the coils. If it holds standing water, you must clear the main PVC drain line. Take a wet-dry vacuum to the outside drain pipe exit and suck out the clog. Alternatively, pour a mixture of warm water and white vinegar down the indoor access pipe. Once the pan drains fully, the float switch resets and power returns to the RC wire. If the drain pan is dry, the issue likely lies at the furnace control board. Turn off the main power switch to the HVAC system before opening the metal access panel. Look for a standard automotive-style blade fuse on the green circuit board, usually colored purple and marked with a 3. Pull it out and inspect the thin metal wire inside. A broken or blackened wire means the fuse is blown. Insert a new 3-amp fuse to restore the 24-volt connection. Remove the Nest display from its base to verify the physical wiring. Ensure the red wire in the RC terminal is stripped straight and inserted fully. The connector button must stay pressed down. A loose wire breaks the circuit. Push the copper wire firmly into the slot until it clicks securely, then snap the display back onto the wall base. If a new fuse pops immediately after turning the system back on, the wiring to your outdoor unit has a short. Inspect the thin brown thermostat wire running to the outside AC condenser for weed whacker damage or bare copper touching metal. A failing contactor coil on the outdoor unit can also short the low-voltage circuit, requiring a direct replacement of the contactor to keep the RC wire powered.